How to replace the trunk lid light on a 2017 Ford Fusion. Now what you only tool you'll need is a 11mm and a flat blade screwdriver, which the flat blade screwdriver is optional if you're able to take this chrome piece off by hand. If you're able to take it off by hand, you don't need the flathead screwdriver. So let's go ahead and get started. You'll have two bolts here, and like I said, the flat blade screwdriver, you can pull these clips off by hand, or you can use a door panel tool remover. You should have a clip down there, and I'll just fold this back downwards and you'll be able to look to see where the one screws at here. I believe that's all that holds this taillight is in. So all you need, this bolt here, that one there, and the one over there that I pointed out earlier. So you just want to go, but before you do that, go ahead and remove this chrome piece. I'm able to take it from the side here, and just kind of pull outwards on it, and just kind of run your finger across it while pulling on to it. And when you do this, try to pull right where the clips are at. Don't pull between it, but get close to where the clips are at. Therefore you will not break. And off it goes. So I already went on and removed the panel. I just dropped it down a little bit by just pulling on those tabs. I do have a door panel tool remover, like I said. So after you get the chrome piece off and you pull your headliner down, or the trunk liner, all you just need to do is remove those three 11mm plastic screws. After you remove those three screws, you will have a connector plugged in, but mine is not due to me having a different connector. What I am doing here, I am upgrading this light to a level 3 where this red part will light up. So that goes this old one. All you just do is just pull it straight on out. Plus you'll need two hands to get this off. I'm going to set this one down here. Then the difference, now here's this passenger side. Like I said, it's got a different connector, so if you're wanting to do this upgrade like I am, you will need a new trunk lid wiring harness and the new taillights. Now the part number, I've had a bunch of people ask about it. The part number for this, right down here, I'll read it off to you. HS73A602-B. See if I can get the camera to focus in for you, therefore you guys can read it better. I don't think it'll focus too well onto it, but anyways, I read the number off to you. Hopefully you got it. So let's go ahead and put this new one in. All this one does, it just fits directly onto it. Make sure your screw holes line up into their spots. Once you get your new one in, go ahead and plug it in. I got mine plugged in already, and let's go ahead and check it out what it looks like. Alright, that's what it looks like when it's on. And here's what it looks like with both of the trunk lid lights lighting up. Now let's test out the reverse light, make sure they work. Alright, that's what it looks like with the reverse light. You will hear a beeping because of the backup alarm, probably. Now this one here, I put in an LED one here. This one here is just a factory halogen bulb. Now if you want to change the bulb, all you just have to do, go to this connector here, turn it counterclockwise, and off it goes. Put it back in, line it up, turn clockwise, and lock it into place. Now here's what it looks like. Now when I put in the LED bulb. Now, all you just gotta do, get your chrome piece back together, line up the clips, and when you go to push them in, make sure you push right where the clips are at. Don't want to push between it or you'll break the chrome piece. So always push right where the clips are at, therefore you can get it into place. Then also, don't forget to go ahead and put your trunk liner back into place and put in your clips and anything else that you remove. So that's how you replace the trunk lid light on a 2017 Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching.